How to check battery health on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your start menu, then search for command prompt, tap on this arrow, then run command prompt as administrator. Click on yes. Now simply type this command. Power CFG space slash battery report slash output space and enter the location where you want to add your details or your battery report. I will save it in my C drive. So C, then again slash battery, name the file report, and then save it as an HTML file. Now simply hit enter. So after you get this output, go to your file. Now go to your local disk C, and here you can see the battery report is over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.